Hello! It has been years since I have gone live, so I thought it would be fun for me to do a live in here today. Welcome, welcome. In case you don't know, my name is Cordelia, and I created the Hex Squad group as a community for us to talk about makeup and share makeup looks and share like beauty and fashion and lifestyle stuff together. So I hope that you love it. So as you probably know, I have been on a low buy since like the end of 2019, the beginning of 2020. That was when I decided, started going through my divorce stuff, and I had to radically change a lot of things about my life. And I've been doing really well with my low buy, but I thought it might be fun for me to do an unboxing with you to show you a new brand that I did decide to purchase from called Half Magic Beauty, because I've seen so many cool stuff from the line in different like TV shows and everything. So that's what I'm going to do with you. And they sent me this little like, I guess they sent this to anybody in the order. They sent this cute little like hair slide that says Half Magic on it. And they package things fairly well. I like that they don't use packaging peanuts. It's just wrapped in like corrugated paper. So what prompted me to purchase from Half Magic Beauty, like I said, other than seeing lots of their cool makeup featured in different TV shows, is that they just released some blushes that looked really nice. It's like a cream to powder formula, and I really like that. Let's see, this first item is actually a mouth cloud, so it's one of their lip colors, and the color is called Angel Rave, and it's like a sort of pinky purple color. I will give this a swatch in the back of my hand. It's like a really soft violet. I hope that you can see okay. Maybe I should turn on, let me turn on just a different light just to make sure there's a little bit better light coming on me. I'm sitting right in front of a window, but and trying very hard not to trip over everything in my office. So maybe you can see that a little better. It's like they call it, I think, like a soft violet. Let's see what this is. Ooh, these are the eyeshadows I ordered from them. I ordered a color called Elvin Things because, well, I love elves and it just sounded really cute. I think it was described as like a mint green with a pink shift. Oh, and one of the cool things about Half Magic Beauty is that all of their packaging is eco-friendly, and it's I think it's combustible. It's compostable. There we go. So you can keep it in like this little packaging that it comes in, or you can put it into a magnetic palette. And let's see what this ends up looking like. Okay, on my skin, this is like a lime green with like a barely like a hint of like a nude pink. So that is Elvin Things. And this next color is called Glamourust, and it's supposed to be like a metallic, rosy, pinky, rusty color. And I will probably transfer these into my own magnetic palette just because I like that it's compostable, but it's like kind of flimsy. So this is the Glamourust. It definitely looks pinky. Yeah, definitely pinky rusty. I really love seeing companies push for this more eco-friendly route with their packaging, especially considering, you know, how much waste there is made from the beauty industry. Like, I had no idea until I was doing that Xology video just how bad it was. But it makes sense because just like all of things that are like shrink wrapped and all the little plastic parts. Oh, these are the highlighters I got. They call them light trap highlighters. Let's see. Of course they need something to unlock them. I got to get through the tape that's right here. So this color is called Spiritually Complex, and it's a really pretty purple with a blue shift. I got this to be more of like a highlighting blush because you know me, I will wear really weird blush colors. Ooh, look at that Oh, that's gorgeous. Definitely a blush and an eyeshadow for me more than a highlighter. And I'm glad I have this like nail tool on my desk so that I can get through the tape. This color is called Enter the Glow, and it's a super sparkly, like creamy beige, and it looks like it has like a blue-violet shift. And I need to like wipe my fingers off so I can swatch this without getting gross. There we go. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. That's definitely more like a highlighter in me. And it does have like a pinky violet shift. Really pretty. I'm such a highlighter hoe. Let's see. Hey, and this is the blush. This is Pink Mushroom. It's like it's described as like a pinky beige. And it's supposed to have a pearlescent glow, which sounds perfect for me because I love glowy blushes. Little compostable packaging. I don't know if it's my nails or what, but I'm not finding this one as easy to open as the others. Oh, and the color is called Pink Mushroom. Oh, it feels like a Super Shock shadow from ColourPop. Oh yeah, that's gonna be gorgeous. That's a really nice blush color for my skin tone. I'm very, very excited by this. All right. And they included a free bunny like headband for you to pull your hair back out of the way when you're like doing your face or your skincare. So here's what that looks like. Super cute. I think these are the brushes. Yes, yes they are. Okay. So this is the blush brush. It's super soft and it has good density, so I think it'll work really well with like the cream to powder formula. And this is the eyeshadow brush that I bought. It's their pyramid shaped brush because I don't really have a brush shaped like this. I thought it was interesting and be fun to play with. So you can like pack color on with it with one side, or you can use the tip for liner, is what they described it as. And again, it's super soft. I'm like 100% sure these are synthetic brushes. But wait, there's more. Okay. So this is their Wing Magician Guide, and I'm always kind of curious about things like this and how they work on hooded eyes. It's a silicone like guide that you can use and reuse to help whenever you want to do winged liner. So I'm gonna give this a try and see how it works for me. Although I feel like I've kind of like got my technique down with doing the liner from the lower lash line going out for wings. And let's see. Oh, this is, so I also picked up one of their chromatic like liquid paints or glitter paints, and the color is called Spirit Guide. So it's like a liquid eyeshadow that you can use as eyeshadow or liner, and I picked it up because it said it was highly reflective, and it's kind of like a periwinkle purple with pink sparkles, like hot pink sparkles in it. I thought it'd make like a really good inner lid color to really catch the light. And it looks like they use similar packaging for the lip colors and the liquid eyeshadows. Let's see. Ooh, this is the other blush color that I ordered. And it's called Only Drama. And I am anticipating that this blush will be very, very pigmented. It's like a magenta plum. Oh yeah. I had to have purple. Ooh, that's a really, really nice, like, magenta plum color. I love that. Let's see. And that's it. So that is what I ordered from Half Magic Beauty. I'm looking forward to trying it out and doing a review on it. If you've tried the brand, I want to know what your thoughts are on it, if you like it, what you didn't like about it. I really find the limited color selection that they have very interesting. Their website is kind of weird because they do show the products in action, but I don't like their swatches at all. Oh wait, hold on, there's one item I apparently missed. I forgot that I picked up another lip color. And this lip color is called Mr. Chic-y Pants. It's supposed to be a warm beige, and it looked much, much lighter on the website. It's probably not a color that's going to work for me. I'll probably have to gift it to somebody. It's a very, like, almost caramely brown on my skin tone, so I don't think that's going to work for me. But yeah, their website is, they have lots of pretty pictures. They do have, like, some swatch stuff, but I don't feel like the way they've done their swatches is very clean. So it's kind of a little, I don't know. I don't like it. I like how artistic it is, but I feel like they also need, like, clean swatches. But yeah, let me know what you think of Half Magic Beauty. Let me know what you think of me going live, because like I said, it's been years since I've done this. I hope that you're all having a wonderful day, and I'll see you later. Bye.